Today I wanted to talk about a particular stock. This is called Hess Midstream, and the ticker is HESM. Again, HESM. This is an interesting company. It's called a midstream company. It works in the energy field, and the reason why it's midstream is because it moves oil and gas around in the middle. That's why it's a midstream. So it's a primary pipeline for a company called Hess Oil. So Hess Oil is the upstream company that actually drills in the ground to get the oil that they're going to produce, and then they use their related company Hess Midstream to push oil and gas down to the refiners, and then after it's refined and sold at the market, that's called the downstream companies. So refiners and sellers are downstream, the midstream companies are the pipelines, and the upstream companies are the oil drillers. So Hess Oil is a major, it owns quite a few of the shares of Hess Midstream, but they also allow the average investor to also purchase this midstream company. Now, one of the reasons why I like this is because Hess Midstream has a really high dividend in comparison to, say, the S&P 500. I looked it up today, and Hess Midstream is paying 7.4%, which is wonderful when you consider that the S&P 500 has a dividend yield of about 1.5% or 1.3. I don't know. It's kind of abysmal right now. So just buying Hess Midstream, every quarter you're going to get a payment that's a quarter of that 7.5% equivalent payout. So if you purchase $10,000 of Hess Midstream, every year you're going to get $750 in dividend income. And if you have $100,000 invested in Hess Midstream, you're going to get $7,500 in dividends. And if you have $1 million invested in Hess Midstream, you're going to get the equivalent of $74,000 in revenue excuse me, every year because you own this stock. Now, there's a lot of people that can live on $74,000 a year. So if you have just $1 million invested in Hess Midstream, you basically get enough of a passive income to live just by owning this wonderful oil company. So it's really an interesting idea. There's several different pipeline companies. Today I'm just kind of highlighting Hess Midstream, and again, high dividend yield, 7.5%, and you get that just by owning the stock. So another interesting thing that's kind of occurring right now is Chevron, which is another big upstream company, one of the big oil majors, is trying to purchase Hess. And there's a big fight between Exxon and Chevron right now that's happening. Hess owns a bunch of oil wells in Guyana offshore, which is the new area. Exxon doesn't want Chevron to be a partner. They want to own the stuff themselves. Hess has an interest in those oil things, so there's a big fight going on right now, and it'll probably get resolved sometime later this year, which is 2025. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but it could affect the performance of Hess Midstream. If the Chevron deal doesn't go through, Hess, the price might go down a little bit, but again, the company Hess still drills oil, they still own this, and they're still going to move money around on their pipelines. If the deal does go through, it's interesting because, well, Hess Midstream might become a buyout target for Chevron. And this has happened to me a few times in the past. I used to own midstream companies from some of these oil majors, and it's interesting because they ended up buying those and offering me a premium from them. So I know Exxon had a pipeline and that got bought up. I think Chevron also had a pipeline. I can't remember for sure. Like British Petroleum had a pipeline. And over the past while, because these things are valuable, the mother companies have ended up purchasing the pipelines back out. And you get, say, a 15 or 20 or 25% premium when they do that. So I don't know if Hess Midstream is going to be a buyout target if the merger between Chevron and Hess happens, but it certainly could be. It's interesting. And if you purchase Hess Midstream, you get 7.5% yielding year after year just to wait, which is a great return. So the company has to also, the price appreciates a little bit. I've owned it for a few years, and it continues to go up. I think it's up something like 30% since I bought it a year or two ago, maybe more. I can't remember. So it's been a really good investment. But I thought I'd share that with you today. Take a look at ticker HESM. It's Hess Midstream. It's a pipeline company moving oil and gas around, and it pays a really high dividend. You can count on these dividends. It's always possible that a company could cut a dividend, but they really try not to do that. So it's a really fun thing to kind of look at, learn about. Take a look at Hess Midstream. Do your own due diligence. This isn't financial advice. I'm just a YouTuber trying to educate you on things that I've learned. So Hess Midstream is a really interesting company, and if you find that interesting, give me a like, subscribe. We'll see you. Bye.